HELEN Flanagan wowed in a glamorous selfie after opening up about post-pregnancy hair loss. The former Coronation Street actress took to Instagram to share her hairline in a new photo, after talking about the hair loss she experienced when having her third child, Charlie. 3. Helen looked incredible in a selfie on Instagram. Credit, Instagram. 3. The actress, who glammed up in black Pour Moi lingerie, recently opened up about hair loss. The mom of 3 admitted she has hair loss when she gave birth to her daughters Matilda, 6, and Delilah, 3. However, the 31-year-old admitted that her hair did grow back. Sharing a photo kissing her adorable son, she said, "Just realized I've got some hair loss after having Charlie. Had this with both the girls but it grew back." In her latest photo, Helen put her best foot forward as she posed for a selfie wearing a beige top. She looked flawless in the shot where she tied her hair up and kept 2 tendrils loose to fall at the front of her face. She kept her makeup simple with a nude lipstick and blusher. Just days ago, Helen ramped up her glam and dazzled in a stunning black bra and matching pants lingerie set. The busy mum even rustled up a roast dinner in the dazzling Pour Moi number, complete with stockings for Valentine's Day. The actress, who last appeared as Rosie Webster in 2018 after playing her on and off since 2000, is said to have decided to focus on motherhood and other career projects. Helen opened up about hair loss with sweet son Charlie. 3. Helen is also mom to Matilda, 6, and Delilah, 3.